Washington, D.C., formerly the District of Columbia, also known as Washington, the District, or D.C., is the capital city and federal district of the United States. It is located on the east bank of the Potomac River, which forms its southwestern border with Virginia, and it shares a land border with Maryland on its other sides. The city was named for George Washington, a founding father and the first president of the United States, and the district is named after Columbia, the female personification of the nation. Washington is the southern point of the Northeast megalopolis, a major cultural, political, and economic corridor along the northeastern coast of the United States running from Boston to Washington. As the seat of the U.S. federal government and several international organizations, the city is an important world political capital. It is one of the most visited cities in the U.S., with over 20 million annual visitors as of 2016.